Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer outreach with Zendesk step by step clearly. To increase customer outreach with Zendesk, start by setting up your Zendesk account. Select the customer support package that best fits your business needs. Customize your Zendesk portal to align with your branding. Add your team members and assign roles based on their responsibilities. Integrate other tools your team uses, such as CRM software and communication platforms. Create a knowledge base by adding frequently asked questions and helpful resources. Set up automated responses to common inquiries to provide instant support. Utilize the ticketing system to manage customer queries efficiently. Establish customer segmentation to target specific outreach campaigns. Use analytics tools within Zendesk to track customer interactions and feedback. Leverage the reporting feature to measure the effectiveness of your outreach strategies. Create personalized email campaigns to engage with customers based on their behavior. Launch customer satisfaction surveys after interactions to gather valuable feedback. Host webinars or live chats to foster direct communication with customers. Regularly update your knowledge base with new information and resources. Monitor social media channels for customer inquiries and respond promptly. Encourage customers to submit feedback through your Zendesk dashboard. Use the insights from customer feedback to improve your outreach methods. Train your team regularly on new features and best practices in Zendesk. Continuously explore new Zendesk integrations to enhance customer engagement. Stay proactive in outreach to ensure customers feel valued and heard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.